Hi Jazz, I'm just making a little video to help you as well. So as you can see, I've dropped your image into InDesign, and I've made two layers. So you can see layer 1 is your image and then layer 2 is blank. I'm going to work on layer 2 so that I can get rid of your image afterwards. Over here, make sure that your background, your fill has a cross fill. We don't want any fill, and your stroke does have a color. So if I click on that, for example, I can click the fill, click none, and then I can double click on the stroke, pick a color. I've just picked a red to help you here. Okay, this tool here, what I can do is if I come here and I click, and then I click down here, and I'm going to end up making a line. I'm going to hit escape so I go off. What I can do here is I can come over here and click on the line and suggest that maybe the line needs to go up here a little bit. Then I can hit escape and come back here and suggest that maybe the line needs to come in a little bit more. And then I'm going to hit escape on my keyboard, and you can see here that I've created your curve. I'm going to do another one. I'm just going to click. I always find clicking off it and then clicking back on is easier. So I'm going to do this one here. So I'm going to click. I then come to the end of it and I'm going to click, and that gives me a straight line. I'm going to hit escape on my keyboard. I'm going to come back here and click and just drag it to here. Okay, then I'm going to come click off, escape, click here and bring it in. Okay, and then I'm just going to hit escape again a couple of times, and if I turn it off, you know what I did that time? I did it on the wrong layer. So if you do it on the wrong layer, that's not going to help you at all. Okay, so make sure that you're always using the correct layer. So let me try that again. I'm going to do this one here. So I'm going to click down the bottom, escape with my key, come here, click on the line and drag it to where I want it to be. Hit escape again, click over here, drag it to, hit escape again and drag it back. And then I might even here say, look, I actually want to bring that in a little bit more. And here I want to bring that over a tiny little bit more. And I can keep adding little paths and just sort of subtly moving this over to where I want it to be. And then if I turn off, you can see that I've got those layers there. Alright, hope that helps. Let me know if it doesn't for you, okay? Alright, good luck. Bye.